Hello everyone, welcome back to LT Education. So in our previous video, we have discussed the period parameter, and in today's video, we will be covering the date modifier. So for that, first of all, you have to go to SPRO and SAP reference IMG and go to the payroll. We have selected the country as India, so we'll go to the payroll of India. In India, we will go to basic settings, then payroll organization. Now we will see the date modifier. So in this, we have the standard date modifier H00. So what is the date modifier? It is the like the date indicator of for a particular employee. So like suppose I live in Gurgaon and my friend Aman lives in Haryana, sorry, in UP. So for him, the pay date could be different, and for me, the pay date would be different. So in that case, we assign the date modifiers. Okay. So let's click on F1. So basically it is used to associate additional date with a payroll calendar. For example, additional date may include a period of pay date or disposition date, date fund or made available to employees account. So see, my salary would be credited on like 20 of July, and for a month it would be credited on 25th of July. So the pay dates are different for both of us. So in that case, we can define the different date and date modifiers. Generally, we avoid the creating the date modifier because we most of the time use the payroll area. Payroll areas are basically uh, differentiate the employees based on their geographical location, based on their taxation or the payroll frequency. So we are not will not be defining the date modifier. We will be creating the different payroll area for different type of employees. In our next videos, we will be covering the payroll area. Till then, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe.